If you're looking for an alternative to switch your look or save you time in the morning, then this is for you. Welcome to SL Raw Version Hair. I'm Liana, and I'm going to be sharing with you a few of our Fit and Go wigs along with our lace front. First, we have our textured, kinky straight Fit and Go wig offered here at SL Raw Version Hair. This wig is perfectly crafted for the young woman who enjoys textured hair, enjoys a good blowout, especially for someone who wants to be able to hold curls for long lasting. This wig has a beautiful transparent lace, which is HD quality and blends well within any skin tone. You'll notice that this hair comes in a beautiful natural black, but it can be colored to a 613, so feel free to add highlights or ombre. This Fit and Go wig is great for glueless applications, and the hair straightens beautifully. Take a look over here as we show you how the hair looks on. Not only will this wig last you for years, but it's sure to complement any look that you may have. Now moving on to our raw natural wavy lace frontal wig. Take a look at our raw natural wavy lace frontal wig. This hair comes in a healthy color of natural black, but also can be colored to your liking. You'll notice that this wig is very full, consisting of 180% density. It has a lot of volume and will hold curls beautifully. This wig was perfectly crafted for the woman who enjoys versatility and comes in a length of 20 inches. This unit can be easily styled with roller sets or with a flat iron. You'll notice that this unit has a beautiful large lace top of 13 by 4, allowing you to be able to part your hair from left or to right, and also it's been constructed on a transparent HD lace, which means this will blend perfectly with your skin tone. Take a look here to see how this unit looks on. This unit also comes with adjustable straps and combs for security. Can be applied with glue or tape. Well, that's it for now. We hope we was able to inform you of the great benefits of our wig units here at SL Raw Version Hair. We look forward to servicing you, and be sure to head over to claim your wig unit today.